Neural networks have become an integral part of our daily lives as they are at work behind the scenes of many of the apps and services we use every day. They're what make our social media feeds so addictive, enable virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to understand us, and power advancements in self-driving cars. In fact, the use of neural networks has revolutionized many industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. But what exactly are neural networks, and how do they work? At their core, neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that can recognize patterns in data. They work by simulating the way the human brain processes information, with artificial neurons that are connected in layers. Each layer processes the input it receives and passes the output to the next layer. As the input passes through more layers, the neural network becomes better at recognizing patterns in the data. The process of training a neural network involves providing it with labeled data, such as pictures of cats and dogs, and telling it which pictures are which. The neural network adjusts the weights of its connections between neurons to make its predictions more accurate. As it sees more examples, it gets better at recognizing patterns and making accurate predictions on new, unseen data. The power of neural networks comes from their ability to generalize. When a neural network is trained on a set of data, it doesn't just memorize the examples it sees. It learns the underlying patterns that are common to all of the examples. This means that when you give it new, unseen data that follows the same underlying pattern, it can still make accurate predictions. Neural networks are used for a wide range of applications, from recognizing faces to translating languages to predicting stock prices. They are also used in medical diagnosis, predicting customer behavior, and fraud detection in financial transactions. In the field of transportation, neural networks are used to improve traffic flow, reduce accidents, and develop self-driving cars. However, they're not perfect and can be fooled by adversarial examples. These are data points that have been specifically designed to cause a neural network to make an incorrect prediction. As a result, researchers are constantly working on ways to improve the robustness of neural networks to minimize these errors. In summary, neural networks are a powerful machine learning tool that can recognize patterns in data and make accurate predictions based on that data. Their use has revolutionized many industries and continues to push the boundaries of what is possible with artificial intelligence. While they have their limitations, their ability to generalize makes them an essential tool for many applications.